Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So let's start with the review. It's a Times and Trends Academy and it's a UI UX design course and the duration is 1 year. And these are the syllabus like Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Figma, XD. Web development software is also there like HTML, CSS, and graphic design software is also there. So it's a methodology, guidance, hands-on learning, career support is also there. And these are the value or add-on portfolio showcases there. Live app design, interview prep is also there. And if we go down, these are the overview about the UX UI, and these are the placement options. And if we go down, no proper detailing about the UI UX fundamentals, no proper UI UX tools like AI tools are not there, especially Invasion, Framer, Jam, and Figma Make, which is most important in future-oriented UI UX course. And nothing else is there. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, its depth and structure is 0 for me, fundamental is also 0 for me. Design quality is not there, so it's a 0 for me. Hand-on project is there, so it's a 0.5 for me. Tools and software training is again 0.5 for me because many of AI tools are missing. Mentorship and feedback is not there, 0 for me. Portfolio development is there, so it's a 0.5 for me. Placement catered support is there, and course values fees again 0.5 for me. Industry evidence update is also 0.5 for me because it's an outdated course. Many courses in the market which are future oriented and fresh and focus on the AI tools in terms of UX UI curriculum and structure. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation, which covers all the parameters in terms of structure, in terms of fundamental, in terms of quality, also helping mentorship and feedback, and placement and career support after completion of the course. So you can check out the link from the description. I will add there. Thank you.